In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the measure tool in Tradingview. This tool is incredibly beneficial for traders, allowing you to easily assess market movements over specific periods. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding how to utilize this tool can significantly enhance your trading strategy. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Tradingview website. This is the platform where you'll be performing all your analyses, and it's widely used for its robust charting capabilities. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you're already set up, head over to their site to get started. Once you're on Tradingview's homepage, the next step is to enter the charting area. Here, all the magic happens. You can either choose a specific chart or open up a new one if you're just starting fresh. Now, to access the measure tool, look for the icon on the left toolbar that resembles a ruler, or more conveniently, you can simply press the Shift key and click on the chart. This shortcut is handy and minimizes the effort of having to manually find the tool every single time. With the measure tool activated, you'll want to point and drag across the chart to your desired endpoint. This motion effectively allows you to measure the difference between two data points. It's an easy way to see percentage changes, duration between points, or the absolute difference in price. As you drag, you'll notice that the information automatically updates, giving you real-time data about the distance or change you're measuring. Once you have a line drawn on your chart, the next step is to click on what's often referred to as the highlight option. This isn't necessarily a separate tool, but a feature within the measure tool. By clicking this, you can emphasize the specific market movement you're analyzing. This is particularly useful if you're looking to present your findings to others, or just want a clearer view of a particular time frame or trend. Tradingview's measure tool is an excellent asset in any trader's arsenal, offering a quick and efficient way to quantify market moves. Whether you're reviewing past market behavior or trying to forecast potential trends, this tool serves as an immediate resource for gauging the market's performance over any given period. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the measure tool in Tradingview to enhance your trading analysis. Practice using it regularly to become more familiar and comfortable with its functionalities. As always, happy trading, and may your market insights be deep and your profits grow.